Hello? Calm down. What are you? It's fine. The domestics are having truck month. We can have truck month too. Stormy, hold my beer. March on down to Waldorf Honda for truck month. You need to come check out the brand new Pilot and the all new redesigned Ridgeline. And don't forget to ask about the Passport. We've got something for everyone. We cannot wait to see you down here for truck month at Waldorf Honda.